For over 2 decades, PCSC has brought you the security industry's top-rated access control systems. We are a world leader in innovative hardware design and integrated software development, with products reflecting superior engineering and design. Our dedication to open system protocols and our available software development kit position us as the industry's standard bearer for cooperative systems integration. Combined with our full range of global support services, it all adds up to the total security solution. For excellence in evaluating your needs, delivering quality products, providing customized solutions, and comprehensive product training. The name to remember is PCSC, Access Innovators since 1983. In today's high-risk security environment, access control system users cannot afford to have their systems fail. Whether the system is designed to let cars flow in and out of a parking facility or to let employees into their workspace, the critical nature of an access control system is evident by the lack of security, loss of production, and confusion that will result if the system drops offline. Today's systems are not just for access control. These integrated systems commonly monitor alarm points and direct live or recorded video on your network. A failed access control system controller has, in the past, meant a frantic scramble to get the system back up and operating in order to minimize the effects of the system failure. No matter the time of day, technicians were dispatched to execute a costly service call. That doesn't have to be the case anymore. PCSC's new fault-tolerant access control system is specifically designed to protect from the adverse effects of a system failure. This patent-pending technology turns what was, in the past, a critical situation into a routine maintenance call. In the unlikely event that your PCSC fault-tolerant controller fails, it can now be replaced at your convenience. Historically, access control systems have been designed using one of 2 architectures, each with their own merits as well as their own drawbacks. These 2 architectural designs are the Centralized Controller Architecture and the Master-to-Subcontroller Architecture. The Centralized Controller Architecture minimizes the number of entry points at risk due to a controller failure, but can be more costly due to the additional intelligence required. The master to subcontroller design spreads the intelligence over a large number of entry points, therefore allowing a lower cost per entry point, but places more entry points at risk should the controller fail. PCSC's fault-tolerant system is unique to the security industry in that it provides 3 levels of system redundancy. It is designed to take advantage of the lower price associated with the master to subcontroller style, and yet provides a much higher level of survivability than even the centralized controller architecture. This new technology provides a best of both worlds scenario in that the system takes advantage of the cost efficiencies associated with spreading the intelligence of the system over a larger number of entry points, and yet is not dependent on any single piece of hardware for successful operation of the system. The redundancy inherent in the system offers unparalleled system survivability at competitive prices. The first level of redundancy is provided by our revolutionary virtual panel configuration. The networked click of rack-mountable redundant master controllers and distributed door interface modules are each implemented on discrete boards, but work together to operate as a single virtual access control panel. Each master controller on the system contains all the intelligence and database information of every other controller. In the case of a catastrophic system event, the system will continue to operate normally with little or no degradation of service, as long as at least one master controller has survived. As the second level of redundancy, PCSC's fault-tolerant system offers redundant communication paths. A backup network, including a wireless LAN, can provide a failover communication path in the event of the primary network failure. Your facility's security need no longer be dependent on your existing network. The third level of system redundancy provided by the fault-tolerant system is automatic cutover to a redundant server. This backup server can be provided using our software solution for completely independent computers, or it can be accomplished using a fault-tolerant server machine with built-in redundant processors and memory. Designed from the ground up with the professional IT department in mind, PCSC's new fault-tolerant system is the first in the security industry to offer 3 levels of redundancy and is built using today's latest technologies and standards. If you are looking for a system that will protect against obsolescence for years to come, you need to see PCSC's new fault-tolerant access